Howdy, name's Johnny Ray, and today I'm going to talk about insurance and copay assistance. We all know U.S. healthcare sucks, especially with recent events that have happened. So I just wanted to share a few stories dealing with insurance myself. Then, with the treatment of MPS being so expensive, there are organizations that I wanted to share that offer copay assistance to help cover the cost. The first thing that comes to mind with dealing with insurance is with hearing aids. Because of MPS, I have hearing loss, so I wear hearing aids. I want to say it was my second set of hearing aids, but anyways, when I was getting a new set of hearing aids, surprise, surprise, insurance denied coverage. The reason, though, is what really pisses me off, and that's because hearing aids are considered cosmetic in insurance. How? I don't know. People should be able to hear better if they still have the ability. Also, by that logic, glasses should be considered cosmetic, but I guess there's insurance dedicated solely to glasses and eyes, so I was a teen at this time, so I don't know how much my parents paid for these hearing aids, but it definitely wasn't cheap. Then for the next pair of hearing aids, insurance pulled the same crap. Luckily, I was advised about the letter of medical necessity, so I had my doctor send that to my insurance. They ended up only paying for one hearing aid, but then I was able to get help from my copay assistance organization that I was with at the time. With that, they were able to bring down the cost by over half. It was still a good amount of money, but it was significantly better than what it started out with. Next is when insurance forced me to change infusion companies and pharmacies out of nowhere. I don't remember all the details, but the infusion drug was being shipped directly to me from a pharmacy out of state. For some reason, my insurance company wanted the doctor prescribing the medication to be in the same state. With that, my medication wasn't approved from that pharmacy anymore. Luckily, I still had medication from the last shipment, so I could still do my infusion, but this situation was just overall stressful. I don't understand why it would matter who is signing off on the medication. I still just get the medication and do my treatment. All that's changing is the signature. Luckily, with help from my infusion care company, we were able to get everything settled down. It wasn't smooth, but we got there. As of right now, my insurance company is just delaying paying for my treatment to the company that I get my infusion done from. They'll deny the infusion. The infusion company will appeal that denial. Then that will repeat a few times, and the infusion company will get paid 6 months later. Fortunately for me, though, I haven't had to pay anything for my infusions. I'm just going to go ahead and show you the cost of the drug by itself. I have to have the drug infused every week, so it would just add up. Luckily, there are these organizations that offer copay assistance programs to help cover the cost related to your disease. They will pay for everything that is disease related until you hit your max out of pocket or deductible, so your insurance will start taking care of the rest. At least insurance should be. If you're set up with a treatment care company, they probably have a copay assistance program. I was using my infusion care company's program, but I had to sign up with a different organization due to my insurance change that I had a couple years ago. Here's a list of organizations that my care company provided me, and I'll provide links to the websites in the description. I've only used two of these organizations, but both of them have helped out tremendously with covering infusions and my hearing aids in the past. They also make it pretty easy to sign up and quick with approvals. The only issue is that you might get dropped due to lack of funding, which has happened to me, but they will let you know ahead of time so you can sign up with another organization. I think that's going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you later.